Hey guys, welcome to Proformance Unlimited. Today for Unit Dynasty, we happen to have one of our 7.3 liter Ford Godzilla motors. This happens to be the 675 horsepower Airboat edition. This thing came out absolutely fabulous. If any of you Ford lovers out there are building an Airboat and want a Ford powered unit, this is definitely the way to go. I know this motor weighs a little bit more than an LS, but you're still sticking to traditional Ford fashion. Your torque numbers are fabulous with this motor. Off idle, you got 550 foot-pounds. The thing peaks at about 650 foot-pounds of torque at, I think it's 4,400. 675 horsepower by the time you hit 5,600 RPM, which is exactly what you guys are looking for. So if you're interested in having one of these units built for your Airboat, feel free to give us a call at 1-800-267-3940. Let's take you over to town.